Hello and welcome to the Primary Epos unpacking of the Oxhoo Zeo till. Now this till is really simple to put together. All the ports are at the back and they're even pre-labelled for you. Firstly, the power port. Then we have 3 COM ports, 2 USBs, 1 LAN connection for your internet, 2 more USBs and the cash drawer connection port. Firstly, we should all try out the standard power brick and Kettle lead configuration for the actual power for the till. Plug in like so, then feel free to plug it into the mains. Now this port has 4 pins, it will only go in one way, so do not force it. Slot in like so. Next we'll try one of the USB peripherals, the mouse. Again, standard USB connection, plug it to any USB port. Next, the keyboard, another standard USB connection. Again, the mouse and keyboard are optional. We also have the Ethernet port and the cash drawer. This one is the cash drawer connection. That plugs into the far left port. That one right there. Slots in like so. And for the internet connection, plug into the LAN port, the far left one. So it's not those ones, it's the one on the left. Like so. Next, I'll show you the assembly for the barcode reader. Again, you have an arm and a cradle, and that screws into place with the provided thumb screw. Once attached, you can then slot the arm into the base, so it's flush down that side. Barcode scanner itself sits neatly on top of the cradle. And again, standard USB connection. Plug into any USB port. Now, let's do a bit of cable management. As you can see, all the cables are out the way now, all around the back of it. Power point for this particular till is just on the far left. And there you have it, a fully operational Oxhoo Zeo with Primary Epos pre-installed. I do hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.